Welcome back to Car Crush 365, everybody. It's January 7th, 2017, and we are doing a 2016 Panini Football Contenders box break. This would be box break number 2. I grabbed another box out of our fresh case over there. I have the first box up on YouTube already. This will be our second box break. Let's see what we get. Our best autograph in the first box was the Cody Kessler. So hopefully we'll get something a little better out box number 2. There are 5 cards per pack in this. 24 packs in a box. 5 cards per pack. 24 in a box. At least 5 autographs. It's 5 to 6. Last box we got 4 autographs and 150 points. So hopefully we get to 6 autos in this box. I got this case on pre-sale at a good price, but I'd always like to sell the cards and get my money back. If you're interested in anything that we pull on these box breaks, they will be available for sale on YouTube. Available for sale on eBay. My eBay name is Classic Collectibles 757. All right, here we go. Box number 2, Football Contenders 2016. Pack number 1. We'll get these out of the way from box number 1. Okay, we have Carson Palmer, Jeremy Maclin, Marshawn Jeffrey, and we have a numbered rookie ticket. That's a nice card there. Paul Perkins, number 3 of 99, Rookie of the Year, Paul Perkins. Langford, Stewart, Romo, Gordon, MVP Contenders, Eli Manning. Seems like it's a Giants box so far. New York Giants box. Keeping the NFC East at least. Okay, we have Mike Evans, Jordan Matthews, Golden Tate. And we have a redemption. Let's pray this isn't Ezekiel Elliott. I know he is a redemption in here. It is. 2016 Playoff Contenders. Rookie ticket, RPS. 321, Alex Collins. We have an Alex Collins redemption for our first autograph. I don't know why, but I always put my redemption cards in a card protector. Alex Collins. Is he on the Seahawks, I believe? It's not a bad redemption. We have Von Miller, Richard Sherman, Mark Ingram, Odell Beckham, Brandon Marshall. AJ Green, Matt Ryan. Bowman, we had him last time. Then we have a Paxton Lynch, Rookie of the Year. And we have our Gridiron Digital card. Is Jared Goff. It's not a bad one there, Jared Goff. TJ Yeldon, Jordy Nelson, Julian Edelman, Todd Gurley, we got him last time. And our round numbers is Corey Coleman and Josh Jackson. Steve Smith Sr., Sam Bradford, Frank Gore, D. Marco Murray, Devontae Parker, all base cards in that pack. Kirk Cousins, Larry Fitzgerald, Amari Cooper, Kevin White. Our second auto, I thought it was Tyreek Hill for a minute. This is of the Cincinnati Bengals in the Chief uniform. That is Kavari Russell of the Bengals. Sticker autograph, pretty signature there. Okay, we have Alex Smith, Jay Cutler, Le'Veon Bell, Devin Funches, and Jalen Ramsey, Rookie of the Year. That is unnumbered. Robert Griffin III, Cleveland Browns, Jason Witten, Rob Gronkowski, Terrell Pryor, and we have a legendary contenders, Ray Lewis. Devontae Freeman, Allen Robinson, Julio Jones, Marcus Mariota, and it looks like we have a veteran auto. That's funny because this is Rod Woodson, numbered 49 of 49 for the Pittsburgh Steelers. What a hit. Legendary contenders. Beautiful card. That is a beautiful card. 49 of 49. Beautiful card there. See if I can get it to focus on the numbers for you. 49 of 49. Beautiful. Not too many vets come out of this product. That's a good hit right there. Good hit. Thank you, Contenders. Let's see if we can get a top rookie now. Make this a hot box. All right, we got Ryan Tannehill, Jarvis Landry, David Johnson, Derek Carr, and what do we have here? DeAndre Washington of the Raiders playoff ticket. Another number, another good hit. That is numbered to 199. That is 80 of 199. DeAndre Washington of the Raiders. Good hit there. That is a beautiful card with that silver and black in the background. Beautiful card. This is a good box. That's what? 4 autos for us in the first half. Let's get on to the second half of the box. Okay, we have J.J. Watt, Jameis Winston, Zach Ertz, Ty Gurley. That's like our third Ty Gurley in 3 boxes. He had a bad year this year. Hopefully he can rebound next year. We have C.J. Anderson, Jones Jr., Osweiler, Drew Brees, touchdown tandems Cam Newton and Calvin Benjamin. That is unnumbered, still a pretty card. We have Brett Starr, Mike Wallace, Jordy Nelson, Julian Edelman, and our legendary Contenders is Roger Staubach of the Dallas Cowboys. Oh, forgot to take that one out. I want to mix it up with the base cards. As you can see in the background, we have a 2012 Contenders rookie ticket of Kirk Cousins and the Jason Campbell Contenders rookie ticket. Okay, we have Thomas Rawls, Andy Dalton, Eli Manning, Matt Forte, and Rookie of the Year, Mackenzie Alexander. Adrian Peterson, Carlos Hyde, Joe Flacco, Randy Walker, and MV Contenders, Jeremy Langford. He would have been an MVP contender, but Jordan Howard is a much better running back, took his spot, so it's still a beautiful card there. T.Y. Hilton, Tyrod Taylor, Tom Brady, Robert Quinn. That's our second Brady in 2 boxes. We have Aaron Rodgers, DeAndre Hopkins, Mac, Stafford, and Antonio Brown. I think that's our second brown also. Should have one, maybe two more autos. Hopefully we get two more autos. Brandon Cooks, Jennings, Benjamin Bryant, all base cards. We have Wilson, Fitzpatrick, Gabbert, Newton. Round numbers. Neil and Joseph. Jeremy Hill, Stephon Diggs, Melvin Gordon, Golden Tate, and our fifth auto, Jordan Jenkins of the New York Jets. That is a playoff ticket, so it is numbered. $186 of $199. New York Jets. We have 2 packs left. Hopefully there's one more auto. Oh, we got an auto right on top. That's kind of weird. That is Thomas Duarte of the Miami Dolphins. So we did get 6 autos out of this one. That's pretty good. He went to UCLA. Thomas Duarte. Tight end. He is a tight end. And the Bordeaux, Miller, Ingram, Beckham. We already got 6 autos. This pack right here may be all base cards. McCoy, Jones, Marshall, Bowman, and Mack. Those Raiders cards are beautiful. I can't even lie. Okay, let's get all our hits together here. MVP, MVP, legendary, round numbers. Yeah, make sure none of these are numbered. And they are not. So we'll go through our hits. Okay, so this is a recap for 2016 Football Contenders box number 2 at Card Crush 365. We'll recap our hits real quick. Rookie of the Year, Mackenzie Alexander, Jalen Ramsey, Paxton Lynch. Paul Perkins is numbered. Mr. Paul Perkins. Let's leave that up. Paul Perkins. Okay, so we have Rookie of the Year, Mackenzie Alexander, Jalen Ramsey, Paxton Lynch. Touchdown tandems, Cam Newton, Calvin Benjamin. Round numbers, Corey Coleman, Josh Toxin. Legendary Contenders, Roger Staubach, Ray Lewis, MVP Eli Manning, and Jeremy Langford, and round numbers Neil and Joseph. Rookie of the Year number card, Paul Perkins of the New York Giants, 93 out of 99. Our autographs are Thomas Duarte of the Dolphins, Jordan Jenkins of the Jets, that is number 186, 199. DeAndre Washington of the Oakland Raiders, 80 of 199. We have a legendary Contenders autograph, 49 out of 49. That is an eBay 101, folks. If you're interested in that card, it will be on eBay tomorrow. Classic Collectibles. Give me a few hours to be able to list it. Via Russell of the Bengals, and our redemption is for Alex Collins of the Seattle Seahawks. That is box number 2, Card Crush 365. That is your break, folks. Thank you.